forgot my GoPro. Alright, good morning everybody, good morning. Welcome back to another ski season out here in Colorado and pretty much everywhere for that matter. This year we're actually keeping off the season at the last place that we skied last year, actually, for the 999. A bunch of buddies and the wife came up here last year, late in the year, late May, and skied 9 runs here. Just so good to be back up here, another season, just so pumped. But either way, gonna grab our stuff, gonna get going. Just making my way up to the first lift right now, and pretty cool actually. This company, Sandmark, actually sent me these goggles I'm wearing right now, and came with 3 different lenses. And today I'm actually doing these blue lenses just because it's so bright out, and I think it's kind of just, you know, a good all-around lens to wear. But so stoked that they sent me these. I actually did a video on them, and I'm gonna be dropping that one for you guys real soon, but hope you can check that out. Just getting to the base here and about to jump on the lift. So pumped, guys, let's do this. Gang, just got off the Black Mountain Express. Looks like that's the only lift that we got open right now, but I mean, that's all right. I'm gonna say this like 1,000 times today, but it's early season. It's the first turns I'm taking on these new skis, these Solomon 106s, and I can tell you right now, just from last year with my old 115s, these things are night and day difference. They actually have an edge. Like, I'm sure a bunch of you guys think I'm a horrible skier, and I think I'm not that great either. But those skis just made me slide around so much, and these ones right now are just, man, the edge is just getting in there. Not a bad turnout for a Tuesday. Man, snow's not too bad though. I mean, this has got to be the majority of all man-made, I'm sure, but it's fun. It's loose, not too hard packed, but I think that's also just saying something about these skis. Like I was saying, guys, night and day difference. My other skis are definitely going to be just old rock skis from this point on, but man, it makes you realize just how awesome ski technologies come nowadays. Those other skis of mine, I think, were from like 2013, 14. Still love them, great skis, but I felt like they just gave me bad habits. But man, back at A-Bay, you guys. Let's have a day.
Hey, what up, say? Let me just talk one time. Can't make a promise, but I do my best. 25 sitting on 25 racks. Just got started, no, we ain't done yet. Bought a new crib, that's a goddamn flex. Sign that check. Told him last year that I've been up next. Can't take calls, but I send that text. From way downtown, but the shit's still wet. Yeah, that's a guarantee. King of the city, man, they knowing that it's me. Ain't damn, you're still doing it with ease. Cause it ain't that hard when I'm talking about me. them how it works out. Seen them in the shit, but now they all worse off. I ain't in a race if I ain't coming first out. Take a step back if they ain't in the game now. It was moving slow, so I had to find a pace now. All they trying to talk, not the time or the place now. Coming for the pot, and I got a pocket ace now. Can't make a promise, but I do my best. 25 sitting on 25 racks. Just got started, no we ain't done yet. Bought a new crib, that's a goddamn flex. Sign that check, told them last year that I've been up next. Can't take calls, but I send that text from way downtown, but the shit's still wet.
It's short, it's not the longest bowl section.
I do it to say I did it.
Exactly, exactly. You too, have a good one. Alright gang, so we just knocked out about 4 runs here on the front side of Bay Basin. As of right now, there's only 1 lap open that you can go down. I know last year they actually had 3 different laps so you could go down on this main blue run. This year's a little different, obviously. I mean, I know last year was just out of this world as far as quality goes, so it's kind of hard to come into the new year and just think it's going to be completely the same. I mean, you have to take each year, you know, just with a grain of salt. But the conditions here at A Basin for this early in the season, I gotta say, you guys, like, we are probably off to another good start as far as snow quality goes. We're supposed to get snow later in this week, and it's supposed to get a lot colder in the mountains these next couple days, so hopefully that helps us out and get some more snow on the ground here in the next few weeks. Also, real quick, if you're enjoying this video, please feel free to hit that like button for me, and if you like this video and you want to see more like it, please consider subscribing. Just come up here for a day and just have a short ski day planned out for you guys and just enjoy all the views and take it in. It's just really nice to come back up here again and to enjoy all these views up here and just these mountain peaks. I don't know if anyone else has ever done this, but just a few minutes ago I actually took off my socks because my boots were just so freaking tight, you guys. But it's 100% better. I mean, my socks, I think, are just way too thick and take up too much of my boots. Either way, we're gonna get back out there for you guys, do a few more turns, enjoy all these views. Alright gang, just got back to the car. I think it's safe to say that the first day of the 2023-2024 season was absolutely amazing. Just so happy to be back up here. Like you guys already know, like just such a fun place to come and just ski, and I don't know, just enjoy the people around you. Like whenever you come to a ski resort, it feels like people just want to come up to a ski resort to have a good time. Like there's nobody up here that, whether the condition is good, bad, bluebird days, powder days, it doesn't matter. Like, as long as you come to a ski resort, it feels like everyone that comes up here just wants to have a good time. So it's just fun to be back up here and involved in that crowd of people that just like to come up and enjoy. Condition wise on the mountain, you guys, I mean, obviously I think it goes without saying, it's nothing special yet. I think that later in the month, even when it gets a little colder and a few more storm surges come through, you're gonna see a little difference on the mountain, maybe a few different lifts be announced and opened up so you can go all the way to the top. But I'm just so excited, like I said, to be back in this 2023-2024 ski season with you guys, and hopefully you're going to be joining along and just enjoying the content that I put out there. But I think I'm going to be wrapping up this day. I think the next time we go out skiing, I'll be either going to Copper or Winter Park, because Copper actually has its opening day next Monday. So super pumped about that. Things get here for me today, you guys, but I hope you enjoyed this video. We'll see you in a boot. We'll see you guys in the next one.